For power requirements above 100 watts, designers might consider a standard power supply first, thinking it will offer the best combination of cost, size, and efficiency. Next is a custom design optimized to the application requirements, but this adds development time and cost that may not be justifiable. Flexible supplies, either configurable or programmable supplies, are often considered as the last resort. But flexible supplies combine the advantages of standard and custom supplies. That use standard modules for fast time to market, can be cost competitive depending on volume, and offer FPGA-like flexibility to easily adapt to different requirements. For many applications, flexible supplies should be the first option, as they can easily adapt to evolving design requirements and new product variants, all while maintaining the same connections and footprint. A configurable power supply uses a chassis with an AC to DC digitally controlled power conversion front end, and modules are installed that provide specific output voltages and current ranges. A programmable power supply takes this a step further, providing software control for the front end, the module output voltage and current, plus additional functions such as fan speed and protection thresholds. Advanced Energy's configurable AC to DC power supplies include the Micro MP Gen 2 series, providing up to 1800 watts and 21 outputs, and the IVS series, providing up to 4920 watts and 42 outputs. The IMP series are fully digitally programmable power supplies for applications up to 1500 watts, providing control of the AC to DC front end and the module outputs, fine-tuning performance to virtually any application. All three series are certified for medical applications and carry extensive safety certifications. Sager makes it easy to program and monitor the data of the power supplies with purpose-built cable assemblies from Molex. One assembly is based on the Molex 2mm milligrid connector and connects to the I2C bus on the chassis, while the other is based on the Molex 2.54mm C-Grid 3 connector and is used for the PFC input connector on the chassis, as well as the control and signal connector on the IMP, UMP, and IVS modules. To learn more about Advanced Energy's flexible power supplies and the associated Molex cable assemblies, visit Sager.com.